Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Substack login issues. Subscription access helps step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Substack website or the official Substack app on your device. Next, check your internet connection by opening another website to ensure your network is working. Now, make sure your email address is typed correctly with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Then, try logging in using the exact method you originally used, like email link, password, Google, or Apple. If you use email login links, open your inbox and search for Substack login and request a fresh magic link. After that, check your spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders for the login email. If the email does not arrive, add Substack to your safe sender list and request the link again. Next, wait 2 minutes and try again because email delivery can sometimes be delayed. If you use a password, click Forgot Password and reset it using the same email you subscribed with. Create a new password that is strong and unique, and save it in a password manager if possible. If you see an error on the page, refresh the browser tab and try signing in one more time. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Substack. Then close the browser completely and reopen it. Try an incognito or private window to rule out extensions or save cookies causing the issue. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools temporarily and attempt login again. If you are on mobile, force close the Substack app and reopen it to clear temporary glitches. Update the Substack app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Restart your phone or computer to refresh system processes that may block sign-in. Verify your device date and time are set automatically because incorrect time can break login sessions. If you are stuck in a loop, log out completely, then log back in using the same login method. Now, confirm your subscription email by checking the receipt or welcome email from Substack in your inbox. If you paid through Apple or Google, open your device subscription settings and confirm the subscription is active. If your subscription is active but access is missing, try opening the publication from your Substack library or direct link. Make sure you are logged into the same account that holds the subscription by checking the email shown in settings. If you have multiple emails, log out and test each email one at a time to find the subscribed account. If you recently changed your email, update it in Substack settings and verify it with the confirmation email. If payment failed, update your payment method and retry the charge from the subscription management page. If you still cannot access paid posts, contact the publication owner or Substack support with your receipt and account email. Finally, keep screenshots of any error messages so support can resolve the issue faster. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.